Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down, choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, click on Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move, and when you're ready, choose Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, and tap on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. Finally choose Apply, and now when I go back, I can see that the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!